Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do a 3 easy eye makeup look for this Durga Puja, which is going to be tomorrow. Yes, 21st of October, which I'm really excited for. And so yeah, so let's get into the video. So guys, so the first eye makeup look that I'm gonna show you guys is with kajal, which you can do it with kajal, which is very easy. So first I'm gonna apply this kajal on the outer corner of my eyes, making a like a wing liner like this, and then after that I'm gonna bring it towards the towards the inner corner of my eye and eyelid as well. And also it's up to you guys how long would you guys want to do the wing. It's up to you. And after then bring it to the middle of your eyelid, and then yeah, done. So then after applying the kajal, उसके बाद मैं ले रहा हूँ ये flat brush, and then I'm gonna blend it towards the outer side of my eyes, this side. So guys, as you can see, the first eye makeup look is all complete, which is really very easy, plus also look which is very simple and which is very easy. As also you don't need to have any kind of eyeshadow or anything like that. Just आपके पास एक काजल हो तो ये आई मेकअप लुक आप कर सकते हो. So after that we're gonna be doing the second eye makeup look, and so for the second look I'm gonna be doing a brown eye makeup look. So yeah, so for that I'm gonna be taking this brown shade from the Swiss Beauty palette, and then I'm gonna be applying it right on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then I'm gonna be blending it towards the eyelid middle part of my eyes. I don't know what it is saying. Huh? And then buffing the excess towards the upper side of my eyelid, and then after that I'm gonna be buffing it towards the outer corner of my eyes to create that wink look. Then after that again I'm gonna be dipping it on the brown shade, and after that I'm gonna applying it on the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm gonna apply it underneath my eye as well. So then after that I'm gonna be taking this pink shimmery shade and then apply it right on the middle eyelid here. So guys, so this is the second eye makeup look all complete, which is like really also very easy. And so this is the second eye makeup look. So now let's do the third eye makeup look. So guys, so now for the last and third eye makeup look, so for that I'm gonna be doing a red eye makeup look, which is also going to be easy because it's going to be easy eye makeup tutorial. So for that I'm gonna be taking a blending brush, and then I'm gonna be taking this palette. Yeah, it's very used. So yeah, so for that I'm gonna be taking this shade, right, a red shade here, and now I'm gonna be applying right on the eyelid, starting from the inner corner of my eye, and then blending it on the lid, and then taking it towards the outer corner of my eyes and buffing it out to make a wink look. Then I'm gonna buff it out towards the upper side of my eyelid, right like this. Then after that I'm gonna be applying on underneath my eye as well. Then after that, I'm gonna be taking this Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm gonna be taking this brown shade, and then I'm gonna apply it right on the outer corner of my eyes to create that smoky effect, you know. And then also apply it on the crease like here, and also in underneath my eye as well. So guys, so this is a third eye makeup and also the last eye makeup look all complete. And yeah, if you want, then you can apply eyeliner and also use false lashes as well. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please do like this video, share it with your friends, and also do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Boo boo. Boo 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 boo. Bye guys.